Kimi K3 is a powerful 2.8 trillion parameter model. This video will show you how to configure and run this open model as an autonomous builder for free. To access the free tier, open an incognito browser window and navigate to kimmy.com. Register for a new account, but be sure not to select any paid plan. Once signed up, locate the model drop-down menu. The default is K2.6, but you should select standard K3, which is designed for complex, multi-step tasks. When selecting your model, avoid the option labeled K3 Swarm. This runs multiple copies simultaneously and will quickly exhaust your free tier limits. Configure your context window by opening the Workspace Settings panel. Ensure the standard setting is selected, as the extra long context is limited to paid plans. Use the model selection matrix to match your task. Use K2.6 for simple queries and default to standard K3 for complex building to preserve your rate limits. For more advanced tasks, leave the browser and launch your local Agent OS environment. This is where you can run the K3 engine locally. Verify your Agent OS is running, then initialize the Kimmy module. This transforms K3 into a coding agent capable of executing multi-step jobs. Kimmy supports a 1 million token context. Simply point the agent to your project directory and let it ingest your files before writing code. You can prompt the agent to build a landing page by providing layout instructions. It will write the structure and even verify its own renders. To automate A/B testing, prompt the agent to generate multiple variants. It will duplicate your architecture and rewrite the copy for each version simultaneously. Beyond websites, you can import external tools like Remotion. This allows K3 to build games, 3D worlds, and programmatic video content. If you encounter high traffic warnings, your account may be throttled. Try scheduling your heavy agent builds during off-peak hours. Be aware that while the model is open source, running 2.8 trillion parameters locally requires significant hardware. For most users, the free API remains the best choice. By leveraging the K3 engine with the Kimmy agent, you can transform your workflow from simple browser chats into an autonomous production engine.